for watering.
Okay.
And last year, somebody came and patched it. Oh my God. Oh my God. I got the water turned on here, right? Is that what this is? Should I turn it off?
Oh, so your hose-bib is right here. Okay.
Yeah.
So that would probably be from the inside. If you wanted to stop that leak, we'd want to shut it off from the inside.
You know what? Can you replace these taps too?
I have a stock full of them in the van. I do.
Can you come in the basement with me? Because
I could, of course.
I can hardly turn the tap.
I could, of course. Yeah.
I didn't know this was happening.
That's all right.
No, it's not all right.
It's outside, so it's all right. That's all right. Yeah, you've copper coming through over there.
And then somebody patched it here with some.
Oh, with PEX,
plastic.
with some plastic stuff. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Dummy.
Okay. It's one of those push fittings. They fail over time. Those push fittings that you see here, I don't know if you can. I'll show you later. They're a push fitting, so they fail over time. They fail over time. That's all right. Okay, yeah, let's go inside.
Are you talking about the white part?
Okay, that's out. It's all in the prep work. Take your bars out. When I'm done afterwards, I can just cut it. Maybe like a 6 foot length here. I just cut that afterwards. Just wipe off that excess. so that's that, and then I'll dry fit that in and just cut my measurement, take a measurement, and press it. I'll press the other side in. Take this out. Take that out. Sharkbite out just before. So there. So I could leave it like that. I notched out a little semicircle. I notched out a little semicircle there, you see that?
Okay.
So that goes right underneath it like that.
Yeah.
And then I could put 2 3-inch screws, wood screws on either side, and I can be like that. Or I'd have to go on top. You see up top here?
Ooh.
I'd have to go up top and notch more out there.
Can we do it without doing that?
Yeah, that's why I said I'd bring you down and show you first. I did a half circle there.
Yeah.
And that fits in nice there.
Yeah.
Even better. And then I can put 2 screws on the side and leave that gap for you, if you like.
The gap's okay though, right?
Yeah, it's perfectly
Yeah,
fine. It's an outdoor.
I'd rather not cut into this.
Yeah, no problem. If I didn't cut that, it would be out here and it was too much.
Yeah, that's okay.
But that covers
That's
it almost.
fine,
That covers it.
You're going to sure need
Yeah.
long screws there.
Yeah, I got 3-inch screws with me there, but I said I'd let you know first.
Did you get the pipe part fixed?
It's in all the way, but I just have to secure this, and then yeah, see that's sweated on there.
Oh, so you got the pipe fixed?
It's in, but it's not connected yet. It's not. I haven't made the connection yet because I have to tamper with
Oh.
this. I have to
Okay.
take care of this first. So that's it. Yeah, that's all. I just wanted to
Yeah.
let you know.
Some of my friends say they don't want to listen to the radio anymore. It's just too depressing.
That I believe.
It's too depressing.
That I believe.
Carry them, yeah.
Oh yeah. Interesting.
It was just a thought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 jobs.
Yeah. Well, he worked for an electrical company for 5 years, and also that was his day job, and then his night job.
I don't understand it.
But hey, you never know. People are a little later starting their families now.
Very, very much so.
In a lot of ways, I think maybe it's better. You're more mature and you're
Give the child a better chance.
better with your kids. Yeah, better with your kids.
Right, so just gonna bop in really quick, and I'm going to just gonna turn it on.
Oh, we want to turn it on
Yeah.
now? Or we
Yeah.
don't walk down without the light.
Okay.
Yeah, they just do it in the morning.
In the morning, early.
Yeah, they start at 5:30, so sometimes I
Oh, wow.
kind of early with them up and down with that water gun after them.
Oh wow, with the water going.
Before that, I had the squirrels digging, ripped out the suckles on the roof and crawled in the wall.
The squirrels.
Squirrels.
They don't call them invasive for nothing.
And they only act during the day, not at night. Is that air?
Well, it's the passage of water through a narrow space, is what we would call it. It's a bit stiff too, like, but yeah. Okay.
Any water underneath?
No. No.
So is there 2 attachments for hoses on that tap? It's dripping now.
That's fine. It'll drip a small bit. You have to seat it. There you go. The new ones, the rubbers are very hard. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. And then it's just quarter turn, so 1.
And that's on full now with that quarter turn.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
The older one.
I don't remember seeing something like that.
Yeah. The other one, no, it would have been an old style. But yeah, you have your gap at the back, but you still have your 3-inch screws on the side, so that's fine. We come through and you have your support. And then you have, yeah, that's the longest piece of copper I had. So to use that coupling there, couplings, and your other support there, and it's still pointing backwards. The pipe is pointing backwards, so that's good. That's good. And those black brackets I put in, those supports, they're not tied too tight. I don't want to pinch the copper, and there's just a small bit of slack. Yeah. And then you have this beam here, this load-bearing beam here that'll support it even more.
Okay.
And that's it.